I'm gonna show you how to permanently enable numlock in Windows 11. So to get started, you have to search in Windows Registry Editor, and from there just click yes. And after that, you have to go to HKE users, then default, then control panel, and lastly keyboard. After that, you have to right click and then click new, then click string value. Once you created a string value, you have to rename it initial keyboard indicators. Make sure it has no spaces and the initial of each word should be in capital. And once you created the string, you have to open it and change the value data to 2. And if you have already an existing string, just change the value data to 2 and then close it and restart your computer. It will automatically apply to your settings. So that's how you permanently enable your numlock in Windows 11.